Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm fine too. Welcome you all to NIEVS Home School. This is Mahmudur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Today I'm going to take an English class for the students of class 5. Our today's topic is Answer Comprehension number 1. Okay? So let's see the board at first. We're taking the class of your annual term, class 5, subject English, topic Unseen Comprehension number 1, lecture number 10 and HW number 6. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 10 and your homework number 6, and your homework will be question number 6. Teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number 01735 852285. Let's start our discussion. At first we'll read out a passage, unseen passage number 1 for your annual term. This passage is about an ant and a crow and a dove. Once an ant was very thirsty. He went to a pond to drink water. When he began to drink water, a wave swept him away. He was about to drown. There was a tree on the bank of the pond. A dove was sitting on a branch of the tree. He noticed the ant was about to drown. The dove felt pity for the ant and threw a leaf to the ant. The ant got on the leaf and saved his life. So you see that how the bird saved the life of ant. On another day, the ant was seeking food under the tree. At the same tree. Sorry. Then he noticed that a hunter had aimed at the dove. The dove did not know it. The ant thought, I must save the life of the dove. So he bit on the right leg of the hunter. At this, the hunter's hands trembled and the bullet missed its aim. Then the dove flew away and saved his life. So this is the story of the dove and an ant, and we can see the reward of helping others. If you help other people, then someday you will be also helped. Now we will have some questions here in question number 5 and 6. In question number 5 there are true, false, and in question number 6 there are fill in the blanks. Write whether the following statements are true or false. If false, write the correct answer. There are 8 questions here. We will read the questions and then we will write the answers. As we cannot write here, we have taken another page. Look here. We will read the questions. If the question is true, we will write on true, and if the question is false, we will write on false, and then we will give the correct answer. Okay. So the dove was very thirsty. The first sentence, our first question, question number A is, the dove was very thirsty. From the passage we see that the ant was very thirsty. So this question is false. So we will write down here false. Then we will write correct answer. The correct answer will be the ant was very thirsty. Question number B. The dove went to a river to drink water. From this story, we see that not the dove, but the ant went to a pond, not a river, to drink water. So this will also be false. And correct answer The ant went to a pond to drink water. Number C, the ant was swept away in a wave. So this statement is true. While the ant was trying to drink water from the pond, he was swept away by a wave. Question number D, the dove threw a stick to the ant. We know that when the ant was swept away, the dove saw it from the branches of a tree, and then immediately he threw a leaf by which the ant saved its life. So this statement is false, because here it's written the dove threw a stick, but we know that the dove threw a leaf. So the correct answer will be the dove threw a leaf to the ant. The dove saved. Sorry, the question, the ant, here it will be the ant saved the dove from a hunter. It will be ant. The ant saved the dove from a hunter. It's true, we know that when a hunter was trying to shoot the dove, the ant saved his life. So it's true. Now, if the ant bit on the left leg of the hunter, from the story we know that the ant bit on the right leg of the hunter, so it's false. Now we will give the correct answer. The ant bit on the right leg of the hunter. And the final question, the hunter's arrow missed its aim. The hunter's arrow missed its aim. When the ant bit the hunter, its arrow missed its aim. But look here, this is arrow. It will be false, because from the story we know that the hunter's bullet missed its aim. So correct answer will be the hunter's bullet missed its aim. So the students, so these are the answers of true, false. Now we will solve the fill in the blanks. There are 5 fill in the blanks, and you are given 8 words. At first we will read out the clues or words. Pity, began, swept, dropped, drink, drown, pond, and wave. First question is, a thirsty ant went to a dash to drink water. We know that he went to a pond. So it will be pond. When he began to drink water, a wave dashed him away. We know that a wave swept him away. So, when he began to drink water, a wave swept him away. The ant was about to dash. The ant was about to drown. Number D, a dove noticed that and felt dash for the ant. The dove felt pity. We can see the word here. The dove felt pity for him. And the final question, the dove dashed a leaf for the ant. The dove was sitting on the branch of the tree and he dropped a leaf for the ant. Dropped a leaf for the ant. So the students, this question number 6, fill in the blanks, will be your HW for today's class. So your homework number 6 will be question 6. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. This question number 6 will be your homework for today's class. So my dear students, I hope that you have enjoyed today's class and understood the lesson and story of unseen passage. For your better understanding, watch this class again and again, and if you find any difficulty, then ask me questions. Submit your homework on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.